So if your hinge pockets are off, you'll want to adjust them with the cylinders behind these guards. First, you'll want to hit the stop on the machine to shut power, and then you'll just want to remove the bolts. So once you have all your bolts removed, you want to just simply take the covers off. And if you take a look inside, you'll notice that we have 4 cylinders. So if you want to adjust your hinge locations, the 2040 adjustment will be right here. The 2340 will be on this end, and the 2400 will be on this end. So right now, we're currently in our 2040 position, which uses this adjustment. Notice that the cylinders are collapsed together. If I go to my 2340 position, notice that the bolts are on the end now. And if I go to 24, now everything will be extended. And that's how you would adjust your hinge pockets. So on our calibration screen, you'll notice that we have a hinge carriage, router, counter router, pre-drill, upper right chisel, and upper left chisel. So these 5 are all individual calibrations, meaning if you wanted the router by itself to go deeper, left, right, whichever way you want, it would do that on its individual. And if you want them all to move as a whole unit together, you would adjust your hinge carriage.